Assalamu alaikum students. I am Shahnaz Ansari again here. So today I am going to teach English grammar and the second chapter is assertive into exclamatory. So today I am going to explain how to convert assertive into exclamatory sentence. So children, first in the previous videos and chapter I have explained you what is assertive and what is exclamatory sentence. Again I am repeating the definitions of these two. Assertive sentence which either states or declares something is called an assertive. Means it shows a state, a positive sentence, that's called assertive. And exclamatory, the definition of exclamatory is the sentence which expresses some strong or sudden feeling is called an exclamatory sentence. And as I also told you that whenever exclamatory sentence come, you have to put interjection mark. So children, this chapter is about how to convert assertive into exclamatory sentence. So children, as I told you that exclamatory is a sentence which expresses a sudden feeling. Whenever you feel surprised, you feel sad, or you feel very happy. So what noise and what kind of sentence you are making at that time? If somebody tell you, okay, tomorrow we'll go to the picnic. So you feel excited and happy, and you just telling that, oh yes, tomorrow we will go for a picnic. So this kind of a feeling expresses, it's called an exclamatory sentences. So here is some example of this. Children, this is assertive sentence I have wrote here, and I have converted this assertive into exclamatory sentence. So how it's, let's see. First is, the boy is very handsome. It's only a assertive sentence. It is only a simple sentence. Like we say, the boy is very handsome in a normal way. Okay. So now I have to explain and say this sentence in a surprise way. A handsome boy is standing nearby me, and I'm telling in a sudden feeling or in a mood how handsome the boy is. See the tone how I am explaining you with a surprise one. How handsome the boy is, and exclamatory marks is compulsory over there. You have to write down interjection marks when you complete the exclamatory sentence. Second one, this is an assertive simple sentence. He should be ashamed of spoiling. See children, spoiling spelling I have wrote half over here. Spoiling a notebook. He should be ashamed of spoiling a notebook. So this is only a simple assertive sentence. Now I am converting this sentence into the exclamatory sentence. So how it should be? Shame on him for spoiling a notebook. See how in a angry way I am telling this and with a stern voice, with a loud noise. Shame on him for spoiling a notebook. So this is called an exclamatory sentence with an interjection marks over there. Third one, it is very sad the doll is broken. So the simple sentence, assertive is a normal sentence, it is very sad, the doll is broken. Now I have to say into the exclamatory with a stern voice, with a sad voice, alas, the doll is broken. Alas, see alas is a word of this, and your interjection marks over there. So alas, the doll is broken. Next, fourth one, I wish I was a rich man. Or it can be a sentence like this also, I earnest my desire to be a rich man. So children, this type of sentence have to convert how? See here, if only I was a rich man. So see my voice, the way I tell these sentences. Children, this how you can convert in a simple sentence, an assertive sentence into the exclamatory sentence.